Hello students, today we are going to see 2nd standard English term 1, the continuation. This is the second part. So previously in first part we saw up and down, and now we are going to see the pros too big, too small. Okay students, let's we move into the lesson. I can't lift you up, Manu, says mom. You are too big. The mom is saying, I can't lift you up, Manu. Says mom, you are too big because now Manu is too big. Mom can't able to lift her up. You can't walk to school alone, Manu, says dad. You are too small. So now Manu's dad is saying he can't walk to school alone. So he has to go along with his parent or with somebody. So he can't go alone to the school because he is too small. You can't sleep in the cradle, Manu, says grandpa. Grandpa is saying Manu can't able to sleep in the cradle because you are too big. Why? Because he is too big to sleep in the cradle. You can't carry the baby to the park, Manu, says grandma. You are too small. You can't. My grandmother is saying Manu can't able to carry the baby to the park because he is too small. Now let us see. Manu thinks too big, too small. Now Manu what he thinks? He is too big and too small. He don't know for whatever things he is big and whatever things he is small. So he thinks he is too big and too small all at once.
Too big to wear his old pink shirt. Too small to make dosa.
So he is too big to wear his old pink shirts. And to make dosa, he is very small to make dosa.
Too big to climb on grandpa's back. Too small to carry the baby.
So as he grown up, he is too big to climb on the grandpa's back. Too small to carry the baby. He can't carry the baby as he is too small.
What am I the right size for? Manu wonders.
Manu wonders what was his right size for his work. Mom smiles and says, why you are just big enough to go to school. So now he is big enough to go to school. And you are just small enough for me to carry you on my shoulders, says dad. So dad says that he is small enough to carry him on his shoulders. You are just big enough to take me for my morning walk, says grandpa. So grandpa says that he is big enough to take him to the morning walks. And you are just small enough for me to tell stories, too, says grandma. So grandma says that he is small enough for her to say the stories. You will always be the perfect size for our hug, all says, and give him a warm and wonderful hug. So finally, all of them says that he is the perfect size to give the hug. So all of them give him a warm and wonderful hug to Manu. Okay students, practice this at home, learn the keywords and go through the lesson. If you like the video, share the video, comment the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.